Imagine you just walked out of the cinema after watching the best movie of the year. You turn to your friend and say, "Wow, that ending completely blew me away." Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb blow away. That first example showed the most common way young people use this. To blow someone away means to impress them intensely. It means you are shocked, amazed, or overwhelmed in a positive way. If a new video game has incredible graphics, it blows you away. But we also use it in competitions. If you defeat an opponent team very easily in a game or sport, you can say you blew them away. I want you to try using this right now. Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community, and it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, watch these next examples and then write your own. Here are 3 more practical examples. Example 1. The special effects in this video game will blow you away. Example 2. Our team was so prepared that we blew the competition away. Example 3. Be careful with those papers. The wind might blow them away. Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. What was the last thing that really blew you away? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.